Para sa mga nagtatanong kung paano mag-open ng SeaBank account at kung meron bang maintaining balance yung SeaBank, first, kailangan mo munang mag-download ng SeaBank via App Store or Play Store, kung ano man yung bet mo doon or kung ano man yung applicable para sa'yo doon. Once na ma-download mo na yung SeaBank, you can sign up. Pwedeng gamitin mo yung email mo or your mobile number. And don't forget, the most important is the referral code. Type March26. Yung referral code kung yan will give you 75 pesos higher than the normal or regular referral code because we have partnership with SeaBank. We have collaboration with them. Kaya mas mataas yung referral code ko. Kaya it's not bad, di ba? It's not bad na magkaroon ka ng 75 pesos. As panimula ng savings mo, mas maganda simulan mo yan sa maliit na halaga. And then, paunti-unti, di ba, lumalaki. And then, as you sign up and kailangan mo mag-fill up ng mga necessary information na nandun, pati ID. Usually, yung government ID, yun ang nire-require ni SeaBank. Madali lang yang ma-approve as long as okay yung mga na-fill upan mo na kailangan ni SeaBank. It will take you 3 to 5 minutes depende sa network mo. And then, makakaroon ka ng or makaka-receive ka ng notification once it is successfully open. Okay? And then, sa mga nagtatanong kung meron bang maintaining balance, alam mo, the good thing about SeaBank, wala siyang maintaining balance. Kahit nga 75 pesos as yung referral code na pumasok sa'yo, or I mean, referral reward na pumasok sa'yo is okay na yun, kahit piso, okay lang yun. Pero mas maganda kasi yung SeaBank account mo is lagyan mo yan. Kasi makakatulong sa yan kasi daily ang crediting ng interest ng SeaBank. Kapag kasi naglagay ka dyan, there is a 4% per annum at daily ang interest. Kapag actually 4% yan from 1 to 400,000, tapos 400,000 and above, 3% na yung marireceive mong per annum na interest. Ayan. And also, what is good about SeaBank din, marami siyang promo. O, kapag magbabayad ka ng bills, may cashback promo yan. Tapos kapag gagamitin mo rin yung debit card mo, tsaka yung debit card, it costs only 160 pesos ha. So, napaka ano na niya, affordable compare sa ibang mga digital banks na merong debit card. O, di ba ang ganda talaga ng SeaBank? I hope gamitin mo yung SeaBank para makapag-save ka. And it's a good starting point ng good habit of saving. I hope this video helps you. Follow for more and use my referral code March26 and start your SeaBank account now.